In third unit, the first topic we are going to see is about the styles that are used in CSS. So there are three different types, the ways which you can insert a style sheet in your HTML document. So the first way is using the external CSS, second way is about internal CSS, and the third one is inline CSS. So first we will see about the external CSS. So with an external style sheet, you can change the look of an entire web page by changing just one file. Each HTML page must include a reference to the external style sheet file inside the link element inside the head section. An external style sheet can be written in any text editor and must be saved with the .css extension. The external .css file should not contain any HTML tags. So usually you create a HTML document and save that file as .html. Correct. So likewise, the CSS properties has to be given in a single file, and that file is to be saved as .css file. And this .css file's link, you have to put it in the head section of the HTML document that you want to style. So inside the head section, you have to use the tag angular bracket link close, and inside this link only you have to provide the link of the CSS file that you have created for the particular HTML document. And this CSS file, this file can be used in n number of HTML pages that you want to style. And inside this CSS file you should not contain any HTML tags. This is an example for the .css file. So this file's name is mystyle.css, and this is how the properties are given here. I want to change the property of, I want to format the property of the body inside my HTML document. So the tag which I used inside the HTML document is the body tag I might have used, then I might have used the h1 tag. So for the body tag, what property I have given is, this is how you should provide the CSS property. Body and the opening and the closing bracket, and inside that you have to provide the properties. The first property is background color I have changed. So this is how I should change. Background -color light blue. The background color of the HTML body will be light blue. Then h1 tags color will be navy blue. Then margin left is 20 pixel. So the color of the text inside the h1 tag will be navy, and the margin, from the margin it gets intended to 20 pixel. And here is one note they have given. The margin -left :20 space pixel we should not give. We should join these two values and give, that is 20, and the pixel should be joined and given. This is one sample example for mystyle.css. This is a CSS file, and for this I have created the HTML document. That document is here. See how I have provided the link. So inside the HTML tag, inside the head tag, I have given the link for the particular style sheet I have created. So link rel style sheet, this is a relationship with the HTML document that I have provided here. Then the href, the link comes here. So mystyle.css. Then close the head section. Then comes the body section, for which the body color I have changed to blue, light blue. So this get effect here. Then h1 tag, this is the heading. So this is the heading. This, the color will be navy, and then the margin left will be intended to 20 pixel. And for P we have not provided any CSS properties in that CSS file, so it will be just printed as it is. So this is an example for external CSS. Next we will move on to internal CSS. Now in the external CSS we created a separate CSS file for the HTML document, and we provided the link inside the head section, no? But in internal CSS we are not going to create a separate file. Instead we are going to give the CSS properties inside the style tag inside the head section. So an internal style sheet may be used if one single HTML page has a unique style, and this internal style is defined inside the style tag element inside the head section. So see the example given here. I have created a HTML document inside which there is the head section, and inside the head section I have created a style element inside this, and inside the style element I have given all the CSS properties for this particular HTML document. So the difference between the internal and the external style sheet is, in external you can create one single external style sheet and it can be used in n number of HTML documents that you prefer to change. But in internal CSS we can provide the styling properties inside the head section, means this will be affected only inside this particular HTML document. So we have given the style properties here, and inside the heads inside the body section we have created a h1 tag, that is this is a heading, and in the p tag, that is this is a paragraph, and close the body, and this is our HTML document. And inside the style, see, for the body I have given the background color as linen, and h1 tag I have given the color of the font is maroon, and the margin left I have intended to 40 pixel. And for p tag I have not given any property, so it will be displayed as it is. And h1 tag, the color of the text, that is this is the heading, no, this particular text will be in maroon color, and the margin left it will be intended to 40 pixel and shown, and whole the body of the HTML document, no, this will be in the linen color. So this is about the internal CSS, and we will move on with the inline CSS. So the difference is the for the inline CSS is inside each element you provide, no, for this each element you can give a style. So that we can see in inline CSS. So an inline CSS may be used to apply a unique style for a single element. To use inline styles, add a style attribute to the relevant element. This style attribute can contain any CSS property. So this is a syntax for the inline CSS. So angular bracket and the HTML tag, whichever tag you use, no, you can put it here. That means h1 tag, p tag, or any other tag you use, you can put it here. Then the style, this is the syntax, the style you have to use here, equal to, then the double quotes inside that CSS property 1 and its value, then the CSS property 2 and its value, and n number of CSS properties you can give. Any property you can give, and you should close the double quotes, then close the angular bracket, then close the tag, the particular tag you have styled. So now we will see it with an example. So here inside this HTML document, inside the head section I have given the title, and that's all in the inline CSS. We are not going to provide any style element inside the CSS. So the difference is, in external CSS we provided the link of the external CSS file inside this, no, inside the head section, and for internal CSS what we did, we provided the style element itself inside this head element. But here in inline CSS we are not going to provide anything inside the head section. We will directly provide the styles inside the body section itself. So inside the body, for the p tag I have created, no, for p tag I am giving the style as color of the font will be blue, then font size will be 46 pixel, then close, then this is the line which I will provide the style. So inside here I have used a small tag, that is the strong tag. Strong tag will just bold the letter, the word inside the tag. Okay, then this is inline styling paragraph. This will be printed in blue. Here the color is black, actually it will get printed in blue. That is the font color we have given is blue, no? So this paragraph will be printed in blue and the font size will be 46 pixel, and we have closed the p tag here, and that's it about this example. And see another one example for inline style. So inside this head document, inside here we have not given any head section. We have just removed it because it's of no use inside the inline CSS, no? So we have not provided any head section. If you want, you can provide it to give the title of the document, HTML document. You can give the head section. I have directly given the body. So inside body, for h1 tag, I have given the style, that is color will be blue and the text align will be in the center, and this is the sentence that I wanted to style. So this is the heading, no? This text color will be in blue and alignment will be in the center. So this will be displayed in the center of your page. Then then comes the p tag. For p tag, I have given the style as color as red. So the font color will be red, and this is the paragraph. No other properties I have given. Only one property I have provided, that is the text, that is the font color I have given. So color of colon red. So this is a paragraph, no? This will be just displayed in red. So how the output will be, the page means the center, in the center this is the heading will be provided, that will be, the color will be blue, and next line, this is a paragraph. This will be from the margin only. So from the margin it will be there, that is, this is a paragraph, and the color of that paragraph will be red. That is about the inline CSS and internal CSS. Then we have saw about the external CSS. So these three styles we have used in the HTML programs, and we have seen. That's about the topic styles in CSS. Thank you.